everybody, it is me, Artist King, back with another video and a very shiny face because I am on vacation and I've been running errands and I had to make this video. I didn't have time to do all the fancy stuff to my face. My hair is combed, but I'm good. So anyway, welcome back. And today I am going to do a painting. I find like I'm running out of ideas for the collage art, and I feel also like that's not really where my heart is. So I have decided to go back to painting faces. But I'm gonna try and do it with a little bit of mixed media wrapped, wrapped and rolled into it, wrapped into it. So it will be a little bit different. So, you guys, I hope you watch this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to leave a comment. Y'all don't seem to like to leave comments. So leave a comment for me. Let me know what you think. Let me know maybe an idea you have that you want to see me do. And most of all, turn on those notifications so that you can know when I post a video. I try my best to do a video on Fridays, but as most of you all know, I work a full-time job and that is not always possible for me. So, hit the subscribe button if you like the overall content of my channel. Okay, so I'm filming now in my studio because I've got some work done and I'm able to stay in here for a longer period. So that's why you see the background a little bit different. I try to go from a different angle every time. So anyway, stay tuned. Do not turn that video off, but stay tuned. Check out what I have to show you guys. And in advance, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Okay, so I will see you on my next video. Okay, hi everybody, it's me. Um, okay, so as I said before, I am doing a portrait today with a little mixed media twist. The bad thing about this is I set the camera and everything when I was drawing to start off with and thought I was filming and I was not. So that's why you're getting it with this stuff already drawn out because that's how I prefer to do my paintings. I think at one time I'll try to do like something freehand where I don't have anything drawn and just try to paint a picture of somebody's face or something on it. It's been a while since I've done that, so I'll try to do that to see if I'm still able to do it. So anyway, I'm doing this today, like half a face type thing with flowers. I'm trying out something different. I'm trying something new, something different. Because I want to continue doing portraits, but I don't want to just do it like just a face every time. So I'm experimenting with this by putting some flowers and kind of doing half a face and putting some other things. So I hope you guys like it when it gets done. And I'm still doing my lessons on how to draw the nose and the mouth. So I have a little twist on that today as well. So this is a canvas that I'm reusing because I always tell you guys all the time, I think you're probably tired of hearing me say it, that I do not believe in wasting canvases and throwing them away if you do something on them and it doesn't quite come out right. So last night I painted over this canvas and I gave it some time to dry. So I can't even remember what was on there before. I think I was drawing trees or something at that time. So anyway, I'm just trying to do something that's a tad bit different here, and I really hope you guys appreciate it. You guys like it. I'm using acrylic paint. I've used some colored pencils. I use stencils. I use ink pads as well. So I would really say it's mixed media, and I tried to incorporate some other colors on it as well. I had to use my blow dryer to get it all dried before I could even finish the painting. And I use some of my mixed paint that I already had mixed in bottles that I use sometimes. See, so there I'm putting in the stencils. It's been a while since I've used those stencils. And, you know, there's some things about this that I would change, but you know, I thought it came out okay for my first. I thought it came out good for my first time trying something like this. So I already have in my head what I'm gonna do the next time. So yeah, so I decided to use magazine images as well. So I cut out the mouth and the nose. And I decided to put that in to just give it a different twist to the whole painting. And then I used another stencil to add a little more drama to it. Yes, it looks like the eyes is bleeding purple stuff. Maybe I should have put red in there to make it look like the eyes are bleeding blood. I don't know. But I just tried to do a little twist on things today. So there's a lot of things I use here. Like I said, paint, ink pads, ink brushes, markers, pencils, stencils. So I hope you like it. Anyway, guys, like I said before, don't forget to subscribe, to like, hit the notifications, and do all those things. And I'll let you watch the rest of the video. I'm almost done. I'll let you watch it, but I'll sign off for now and, you know, say thanks so much, guys, for watching. I truly appreciate you guys, my new subscribers. I am forever grateful to you. So thank you again for watching, and I will see you next time. All right, bye now.